Hi guys, welcome to Cortex. We're at my Golf MK2 now. I'll show you guys how to remove these rain gutters. Well, the first part is really easy. You just pull this plastic lever beneath here. You can just wiggle it a bit. And the first part comes loose. And as you see guys, there's a little notch over there. The roof gutter is clicked behind it, so you need to apply a little pressure to get it in there. And they're on these little clips. The former owner just decided to paint it. Don't know why, but it's there. And they're clicked on there. And then guys, mine is already broken. You need to open the door, because this part, it needs to be one part. Mine isn't, so that's the reason why I'll change it. But open the door, because otherwise you will break the whole part. Especially from the front door on. It's really tight now, because there are some clips over here and it's in a quarter, so you need to wiggle it loose with the plastic part again to get it out. And then the trick to pull it out really easily, just pull over here, you can just wiggle it loose and then pull and it's loose. And then guys, the whole part is out. So if you want to refinish it, redo it, etc., just clean this mess out. You see, mine has been off since a year or something. The car's inside, and see how messy it is. Well guys, there you have it. The roof gutter of the Golf 2. So if you need more tips, please like, subscribe and share. And until next time guys.